You mind if I get your name and badge number right quick?
That's fine. Do me a favor right now. We're conducting an investigation, so I'm going to need you to step all the way over there.
Can I get your name and badge number real
That's
quick?
fine. You'll get it right now.
Oh, damn, like that.
43730.
Thank you, Gonzalez.
Watch him. San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Yeah. Gotta watch him. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know nothing, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros, telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not even on the board. Give a pig a badge, he get happy and go overboard. Pistol out and count to 3. This ain't what I voted for. I know my rights now. Get the light out my face, turn the light out. Why you out late? I'm a night out. Get your hand out the trigger and pipe down. Camcorder got it ready. I know a lot of people be false accused. I just keep spreading the story. I'm gon' make it known till it's on the news. Wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars.
What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm right here with San Joaquin Jr. Next case 182. Raggle Monkey. What's up? How you doing?
¿Ah? Sí, sí, la quiero. Ok,
Como padre tiene que decir la verdad, que eso los hijos no les gusta que uno le diga
¿Tienes su ID?
Sí, tengo esto.
Emails in the job today.
Ven para acá, Mark.
You don't gotta do no test, brother. You don't gotta do no test. gotta do no tests. No tests.
San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Nate Skates right 182, aka San Joaquin Copwatch.
Huele. ¿También? ¿También?
Marty, Marty. Espera aquí hasta que encontré. ¿Tú sabes el número de teléfono? Sí, ¿cuál es? Martín, hazme un favor. Quiero que te mantengas hasta ahí, ok. No quiero que te vengas aquí.
Porque yo quiero hablar con
No, ya. Pero quédate así, ok. Mira las manos, tienes que estar en las manos, ok.
o sea,
¿Tú quieres que te vean la mano?
mira,
¿Quieres que te vengan a chequear? ¿Te sientes mal?
mira,
¿Te sientes mal? ¿Quieres que te
sí,
vengan a chequear?
o sea, él me siento oyente, pero
89, 53, 26.
una ciudad que se llama
Live.
empezó a golpear, o sea, me vino o sea, la misma cosa, uno vuelve cosa y cosa. Si yo no me da eso, de ahí no sube.
Hey, ¿ustedes también? Hey, hermano.
Hermano.
Hey, ¿ustedes también? ¿Nos podemos ir? ¿No nos tenemos que dar por la policía?
Estamos aquí para ustedes.
¿Estamos bien?
No problems.
No problema. ¿Estamos bien?
Ajá.
Ok. Ok, tengan buena noche. Están bien bonitas las pinches policías. Están bien bonitas las cabronas.
Don't call the cops on your dad either.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to shut this down, man. Shout out Raggle Monkey, Rice Krispie, San Joaquin Jr.
I'm not gonna lie to you, that
Let's
chicken's
get...
cool. I've done a cop box before.
I was
Yeah.
gonna get a place there at Life Up.
You mind if I get your name and badge number right quick?
That's fine. Do me a favor right now. We're conducting an investigation, so I'm going to need you to step all the way over there.
Can I get your name and badge number real
That's
quick?
fine. You'll get it right now.
Oh, damn, like that.
Gonzalez 43730.
Thank you, Gonzalez.
Just in case you guys didn't think I was in.
You check this one?
This one right here was nice. The other one on that side was really.
She's nice. I've dealt with her before.
This one right here is nice, but that one right there was really clear.
They know they gotta be nice. I'll show up to headquarters. Jeez.
I got the chief on speed dial.
I got the chief on speed. I'll go to City Hall.
Guys, make sure you go subscribe to Raggle Monkey.
No doubt, you guys. Subscribe, Raggle Monkey.
Yeah.
You were very nice. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You're very kind. We're not trying to get in your guys' way, but just so you guys know. también.
Central Florida Police Accountability says, what's up, FJD2?
Oh, hell yeah. Tell them what's up.
Miami Police Department, downtown Miami. Steel pressure was going on.
And let me get your name and badge number.
Saveria 45346.
45 what?
45346.
All right. Next time, try to be a little more professional, yeah?
The attitude, I guess.
Hey, this other one was real nice, though. I'm not gonna lie, man.
Yo, she's always cool.
The other one, this one right here.
She's always cool. Hey, but did
Yeah.
she seem like she had attitude right now? Right now, yeah. Oh, definitely. It's that time of the month.
¿Qué huele? Mafia Dade?
Mafia Dade, that's what they said.
Mafia Dade, bro.
Mafia Dade.
Mafia Dade right here. That's how it be out here, y'all. Mafia Dade. I almost pushed. Vamos la chingada.
The chief that got
Huh?
sworn into
Ven, vamos.
That's your cat?
¿Eh?
Is that your cat?
Yeah. Vamos, ven, dale.
Hurry up, Charlie. Hurry up, Charlie. Go home. Let's get out, Nick. Let's get out of here.
I'm only going to say this once. If you're not subscribed to San Joaquin Valley Transparency, you're a fucking idiot. And no, I'm not kidding. Those that are subscribed actually know their rights. The rest of you will probably perish when the political parasites demand for you to be casted into the shadow realm of death. SJVT is a short fella, but he stands tall. This David is also the Goliath of First Amendment auditing.
First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, stand on my respect. Can't kneel up on my neck, can't search without no cause. Stop questioning my dog, ain't no pressing me. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Keep the camera rolling on me, cause it's public property. I know my rights, I want to do, you know yours. What's the First Amendment? Of course, you got a badge trying to reinforce yours. I am who I am, did what I did, I was where I went. Tax dollars, yeah, I spent, now I missed. Quick to harass me, too flashy or the color of my skin. Side of town that I'm on, or the tents on the bins. I got rights and I learned the law, I ain't broken it since. I know the pigs just wanna see us in pen. I wonder what does it end. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, can't duck 12, I tell them everything they represent. Everything they know they not, I recite the document. 1A media, I'll turn you to a superstar. San Joaquin gon' educate you by your cop car. Preaching know your rights, cause it's time. You should get yours, cause I'm about to get mine. I'm teaching the course, so come and stand in this line. The footage so real, make sure you catch it online. Crooked or a bootlicker, we know what to do with you. We gon' let you speak your lies, then the truth hit you. Give you some education and some motivation. Cause I ain't gon' watch the pigs just bully the nation. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, not so quick to call 911. Cause they pull up and they don't care who got the gun. They cuffing everybody, don't care who was the one. Guess we all Clifford, I bet we all differ. I pay way too much cash to get bullied by the law. Pulling up to the car with your gun, what's that for? Ain't nothing illegal on me, you still searching for more. You better put that phone out and record, we cop watch. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watching, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watching.